How to keep musty odors out of your closet. The odor of a musty closet can cause your clothes to stink too. When your closet starts to smell stale, don't just grab a can of air freshener to cover it up, find the underlying problem instead. Stagnant air and insufficient airflow can make your closet musty, as well as encourage the growth of mildew and mold, which can then be spread throughout your entire home. Overfull closets and damp clothing can also contribute to the musty smell of a closet. Bad closet odors can also come from bacteria in sweaty shoes. Having closed closet doors hinders air exchange, which results in poor ventilation and can trap odors inside. Here are some great techniques to keep the musty odors out of your closet and away from your clothes. 1. Empty your closet. In order to find the root cause of the musty smell, the first step is to take everything out of your closet. This is a great time to organize your clothing, set aside items for donation and get rid of anything that is too worn out to wear. 2. Inspect everything. If you notice evidence of pests, stop and disinfect items by wiping hard surfaces down with a disinfectant wipe or washing fabric items in the warmest water recommended on the label. Then, dry them in bright sunlight or tumble dry at the highest temperature recommended on the label. Before continuing, check the empty closet for any leaks and clean up mold that may have grown on the walls. 3. Clean the interior. The musty odor in your closet can also be brought on by dust. Use a clean, moist microfiber cloth to wipe down your closet's light fixtures, ceiling, walls, door, and baseboards to remove any dust that has accumulated. Then, use a spray bottle to apply a deodorizing mixture of 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water on the walls, clothing rods, and shelves. If vinegar is too strong a scent for you, try adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the spray bottle. Lavender works great as it is safe for pets and also keeps pests out of your home. Don't forget to mop the floor and vacuum as well. 4. Wait to put things away. Before putting items back, wait until every surface in your closet is totally dry. Try using a fan to speed things up. Be sure to properly dry any fabric items before folding or hanging them back in your closet. 5. Avoid overcrowding. Avoid filling your closet from floor to ceiling with stored stuff. When hanging clothes, place longer items toward the sides of your closet to prevent obstructing ventilation and leave a finger's breadth of space between hangers. Out-of-season apparel should be kept in containers on your shelves with room above and between them for airflow. 6. Keep out shoe odors. Closet odors are frequently caused by sweaty, foul-smelling shoes. Deodorize your shoes with homemade powders or sprays or simply wash them to keep the odors at bay. You might even want to decide to leave your shoes out of your closet altogether. 7. Absorb moisture. A dehumidifier can manage humidity and keep musty odors out of large closet spaces. Smaller closets can benefit from having an open bowl of clean crystal cat litter on the shelf, since it contains the same moisture-absorbing material found in silica packets. Alternatively, you can build your own closet deodorizers by putting silica gel beads and dried herbs in cloth bags. These can be hung inside your closet to help absorb moisture, and the fragrance they emit will keep your closet smelling fresh. 7. Improve airflow. Check that your clothes and stored goods aren't blocking any existing vents, and then leave your closet door open if possible. To enhance adequate ventilation, you might also use a louvered or barn door or a beaded curtain. Here are a few other ideas to keep your closet smelling wonderful. You can clip a dryer sheet to your closet rod or install it over an air vent to release the fragrance. Activated charcoal can be used as a natural deodorizer. Keep a bowl of it on a high shelf. Heavy coats can be hung on cedar hangers, which offer a fresh scent to your closet and deter bugs. Moths can be repelled by utilizing herbs like bay leaf and rosemary, which also leave a pleasant scent behind. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.